And yes sir, what is your name?
Khalil Enriquez and Jet, and you can call me Ken Ken.
Relax, wala pa. Ken, wala pa ha. Calm down, kalmahan mo lang ha. And syempre, eto naman ang player natin. Eto si player number 2. Pangalan mo po?
Zia Cassandra Zay Milor.
And anong tawag sa'yo?
Zia.
Siya. Palabaran naman natin yung mga players natin. Yan ha. And syempre, teka, dalawa lang ang maglalaban. Kailangan may isang manalo. Okay? Syempre, dito tayo. Before tayo mag-start. Yung bag. Kukunin yung bag. Baka sa gabal yan. Ayan. Ikaw naman. Mama mo. Ito pala yung mama mo. Ito maano din. Alright, ito na. Siyempre, kailangan may some space. Ayan. Sa isa't isa, baka magkatamaan ng buto-buto. Kailangan players. Ken, player number 1. Zia, player number 2. Ang kailangan, galingan nyo mag-dance. Okay? Bagong-bago din yung mga songs natin sa mga TikTok songs. Okay? So, alam na alam nyo to. Meron tayong 2 rounds. And syempre, paano ba natin malalaman kung sino magiging winner? Mamaya, magkakaroon tayo ng audience impact. Kayo, yung magsasabi kung sino yung mananalo. Alam mo na, ito naman eh. Pakitali nga yan. Alright, so Ken, Zia, good luck. Ito na yung first round natin, TikTok mashups. Galingan nyo. Madali lang to. Ready? First round, here we go. Go! Magaling natin dalawa mo.
Like sugar on my tongue. Your body is so sweet. Invite me if you come.
Don't just sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strike. Sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is so bright.
May step pala yun, meron. Ayaw pa ang isa!
Tongue, your body is so sweet. Invite me if you come. It's all I want to see. Eat. Yeah.
Walang pangalan natin lahat.